So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change text size in your Snapchat. So for that, you need to go your setting first, and then you have to go Control Center, and from that you need to add text size on your bar. Once you add this, your text size is added in this section. So now open your Snapchat and swipe down your skin and press on this button and make sure this is all apps and this is for Snapchat only. And then you can now change your text size up to 300 on 0%, and then press on right button and go to your Snapchat. Okay, you can also decrease your text size from here. This is the default 100%. Make sure Snapchat only, not for all apps. If you select all apps, suppose like that, then you will see my whole iPhone text size will be increased. Okay, this is how you can easily change your Snapchat text size on your iPhone device.